Okay students, this is special class 4, question number 4. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus b, then evaluate alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. This is the question I am going to explain today. Okay students, I am going to teach the fourth question, special class 4. If alpha and beta are the quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then evaluate alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Before solving this sum, we have to write the formula, algebraic formula a square plus b square is equal to the expansion of this formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This formula only we are going to use in this formula. Suppose a power 4 plus b power 4 is given in the formula. Now you can convert like this as it is: a square plus b square whole square minus 2a square into b square. Like this you can convert the formula. Why? From this question I finding zeros of the polynomial which is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. So they have used. So which they used alpha power 4 plus beta power 4, it is in this format. A power 4 plus b power 4, this expansion will be useful. So by heart this formula, only then you can solve this sum. And one more thing, solution. From this question, you write the polynomial f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Next, we must recall the formula. Zeros of the polynomial alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. This is zeros of the polynomial formula from this chapter. You may studied. You by heart this. Alpha plus beta, wherever you are going to see, you have to substitute minus b upon a. Next, product of this alpha beta is equal to c upon a. C upon a. This also formula. Okay, keep in your heart. Wherever you are going to see alpha into beta, there you have to substitute c upon a. Then from the question we are going to write alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Now I am going to write from this formula expansion as it is. Alpha square beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square into beta square. Now I have written from this formula, I converted. Okay, I used alpha beta only. This also we can modify this formula. Alpha square plus beta square is there. This is look like a square plus b square. This expansion I writing again. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta whole square. This square I have written minus 2 alpha square beta square I have written. Now substitution only next. When we substituting this thing, so alpha plus beta for minus b upon a, alpha into beta for c upon a, I going to substitute in this. That's all. We're going to evaluate the answer. Now substitute as it is. Draw the bracket like this. This for alpha plus beta for I writing minus b upon a whole square minus 2 c upon a. Alpha into beta for c upon a, na, that only I writing a. I just closing this bracket, this square for I writing this square minus 2c square upon a square. Why I writing here c upon a? Here square it has no, that's why I writing square here also too. Now evaluated, simplify this, that's all. Now b square minus 2ac divided by a square whole power square minus 2 c square upon a square. This is I modified. After this, simplify b square 2ac whole square, we can write this for minus 2ac square, a square c square I have written. Whole divided by a power 4 will come. I evaluated by this way. Nothing from this step. Again you see, substitute the zeros of the polynomial and the product of the polynomial. Now when we are substituting in this place, when we are reducing step by step, finally we getting this solution. I hope you understood, students. Formula, expansion, substitution, simplification. That's all. From this sum you have to understand. Thank you.